The BMW i5 M60 electrifies the world of performance sedans, shattering expectations of what an electric car can be. It's a culmination of the legendary performance engineering of BMW M and the cutting-edge innovation of BMW's i lineup. This isn't just a car, it's a driving experience crafted for those who crave the exhilaration of instant torque in the embrace of unparalleled luxury. Climb behind the wheel of the i5 M60 and prepare to be pinned to your seat. Dual electric motors unleash a staggering 593 horsepower and 586 pounds-to-foot of torque, propelling you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping 3.7 seconds. Top speed is 130 miles per hour. This electric powerhouse isn't just about straight-line dominance, precision handling and an electronically controlled suspension, hallmarks of BMW M engineering. Ensure you dominate every twist and turn with confidence. Standard all-wheel drive provides unwavering grip, inspiring you to explore the limits of electric performance. The i5 M60's interior is a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication, meticulously designed to elevate every drive. Step inside and be greeted by a spacious cabin adorned with premium materials. Luxurious M Alcantara and Veganza upholstery cusset you in comfort, while high-gloss wood trim and ambient lighting create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Heated and power-adjustable seats with lumbar support transform even the longest journeys into effortless glides.